best from we are building a gaming room series player equipment today. We will examine your computer, friends. We assembled the gaming computer, we threw the ball ready, we collected it ourselves. Ready? It's more convenient. It's ready. They collect it and you receive it turnkey. You are obsessed with friends' characteristics. As for AMD Ryzen 5500 4.20, it has a GeForce processor. It is very convenient. 512 GB M2 as SSD is reasonable for us. It has SSD, read speed is 2000 MB, write speed 1600 MB. Friends, M2 SSDs, quickly to market came out and it's a mean computer. It accelerated the work in the sector. We found it appropriate to collect M2 SSI. We had it built as a safe. This is what you see. Power boson fan RGB lighting. There are colors changing from above. When you press it, it changes in different colors. You can use the screen in different colors. As for the card, MSI's GeForce RTX, it has a 36 Ventus 16GB video card. The graphics card is GeForce. It's nice, a video card. We chose GeForce. Also MSI's motherboard B450mm. A Pro Max is a 3466 mAh. It has a motherboard. This is also nice and it has a processor. There is a cooler from AMD and it is AMD. They installed this compatible CPU cooler. We liked it too, friends, also as RAM. Friends, Deep Black has 16 GB RAM. As case, as RAM, as processor, nice gaming computer player in our games, we will use the performance of your computer. We will look and observe RAM if necessary. Supplement or other supplements we can do it, because you listen to me. Thank you. We are playing the game. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget, wish you all the best. I wish you healthy times. Goodbye.